So I'm going to put this infinite path here, this infinite horizontal line here, and essentially what I can do, put one line here to here coincident with reaching both of this curve, make a mirror off of this entity over this line, so it would be nice and mirror here, and the distance between these two are 4. And then I have to cut out this remainder, which we are using a trim entity. We are going to nice and easy cut them out. Now we have this profile. Okay, going back. I'll make the plane one hide. So I have now 2 separate profiles that I can define loft for. Go to loft command, select this face, and select another sketch that we just draw. And now the issue is, you see the twist is here. This twist is unwanted. All we have to do, we have to drag it here. And there's no really tangency or anything. If you going and for example, take a look at the curve here, there's no tangency. Sounds like they are easily emerge. So we can hit OK, and we have this back in. Now with this one 40 millimeters, so you see that this 15 millimeter all the way here, which for that, and this is like another 50. So this boss or this boss extrude, it has this sketch. We can continue and boss extrude it for 50. We have it here. So before doing that, actually, one of the point that we could make was the helical spring before we actually make that boss extrude. So let's go back. I will delete this one for a second. This feature that I had, I can delete it. So you see we have here a, let's start by sketching that. So if I, so we have already that sketch. Let's say I can start by this sketch and see if I can create that helical spring. That, select this sketch, and maybe it's better that we define a separate sketch. Going to the sketch mode and adding this circle. I could have used the convert entities, but anyway. So it sounds like helical requires a separate sketch and cannot use this sketch. Why this sketch is not fully defined? Let me see. Oh yeah, because it's not given a dimension for this. 15. Now it's fully defined. Going back. Now if I select this sketch, so the issue that I had was, sounds like helical doesn't like to use a shared sketch and want to use their own sketch. So that's why we defined that sketch. Now, yeah, you see that it's easily going there and you know, start from there. So one thing that I like is, first right off the bat is, you see that there are too many things, but then I can use the information given in here, which just says quarter turn over 200 millimeter pitch. So that would be pitch and turn, or pitch and revolutions. The pitch, they said 200, and the revolution, they said quarter. Okay. Now, if you are looking at this one, you have to make sure that this is going with that one. It's not in a reverse direction, because see, I could select this one or the other way. Oh, not the other way. I'm saying like should it be here or the counterclockwise? So it could be this or this, but sounds like it is a clockwise when you look at it. So now we have this nice and thing. Now I would like this to start from right on top of this. Meaning that if this is like isometric, I know, and the reason is I wanted to give them that key, and I prefer this to be on top. So we can define what is the start angle. Okay, if I define it like 90 degrees, it would be right off of this one. because the first key is coming off this start. I hit OK. I have this one. Now I have to define another, like a key from that, which if we have to look at it, the key is with this shape exactly, but when you look at from this angle, right, from the back handle of that, right? So what I can do, I'm going to this sketch mode, but it's start from here. All we have to do for the reverse, I put Control 8. Now I am in the reverse mode. So I'm going here, center line. I give it a, I can define it right where it is located. So let's give it this line. How is the shape again? Here, sounds like this, 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 this. Okay, coming here. This. That, okay, coming back here, and then going to here, and then close it. So the reason that it's not really horizontal, because you know it's coming up on this one, but maybe that should start from that corner, should be parallel. The center should be this point, not this point. So if I'm going here, maybe let's try one more time. Yeah, this should go away. So seems like this one is here. Okay, and to create that, so this line actually should be located here if you want it to be 100% accurate. This one should be coincident. Okay. Now there are some shapes that we have to define it. Oh, this one and this should be the same one. Okay. So this is type of those dimension that is, you know, that's here and here is 75. So here and here is 75. Then all the way to from here to here is 75. So here to here is 75, and then yeah, and then oh, not here, sorry. From here to here is 75. These two sound like they are parallel. And from here to here would be 1.5. Then starting from this point here to here is, how much was that? From here to here is 1. That's a little long. I think it should be like this. Top of this is 175. So from here to this point is 1.75, and from here to here is this one. From here to this point is 2.5. Was it accurate? Correct. And sounds like this one and this one are this. What is this one? That's another 1.5. So from here to here is 1.5. Yep. And there is a fillet of 3 fillets of half, and if you look at this, it says 3 times. That's why it's not given all those, which is here, here, and here. Okay. Okay, now we can go back and see if we can sweep cut it. But before doing that, now we are ready to do that boss extrude of 30 or 50 that you already have it. Now if I select this, going to the sweep boss and then give it this one as a curvature, it's going to do that nice and smooth. Now we have to remove that helical curve, see that, and it was 12 that we have to rotate it. We have to select this, going to the circular pattern and select this curve, and it was 12 in the course of full turn. And that completes the model. Of course, we can assign some material. Let's say it's 304 metal. That's given. So is there anything else that we had to model that we may forgot? Put this. No, we have everything here. So if you're going and see what does it look like, you will see this is from this view. Match the drawing. This view, match the drawing, and this view. Okay, and that concludes our modeling here. Let's save it. Okay, so close this, and this concludes this class and this session. Hopefully you learned more about the loft, helical and spiral feature, as well as flex feature, to give you more ability how to model the more complicated parts. I would try to put some examples for your homework similar to what you had done here, maybe a little advanced, that is going to requires you think about it, how you can combine this feature, and I post it with the due dates. Probably I would have to email it to you if I was not have access to Canvas yet. Feel free to practice more and using those, as well as going over these videos that posted to learn more about those features and the option that you could try on. Have a good, wonderful rest of the evening, and we'll see you on the next session on Thursday.